Hello and welcome to a new video about DGPT. As you can see, I have 9 USDT at my account, and now I will activate my accelerators to start working daily job. After 2 hours we'll come back to see the results. At the moment I'm at 60 USDT daily earnings, and part of it of course is going back to repurchase accelerators after 2 months of work, and a part I can withdraw as my earnings. And at the moment my goal is to reach 100 USDT daily. After that I will start with my active withdrawals every day. So see you in 2 hours. And after accelerators finish its job, you can see that I have 70 USDT at my account. So it's very easy job. You can start it with 100 USDT on Tron network and start building your account, as I already showed in some of my previous videos. Invest about 190 USDT, and I'm making that much every 3 days at the moment. Still building my account. It will be much better in a month from now, but when you look from that side, it's not so big investment. If you can invest something and in 2-3 months from now turn as much as your initial investment every 2 or 3 days. You'll have all the links in the description below this video. You have Telegram group. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.